I know it's been long since I posted, but today's video is going to be painting my G35's front grills. I already kind of started yesterday on my Emblem. So the plan is to make it come out like that. It was fully chrome before, but now I gotta do the actual whole thing. I already sanded it down. It was also fully chrome, and the worst part, it was plastic dipped, so that was way harder than just sanding it down if it was chrome. And to take out the plastic dip, if you need tips on that, just use gasoline and rub it. It should come out like it should start turning to a liquid, but after a while it turns into a solid, so make sure you clean it up. That's like on some science shit, but alright. So yeah, I'm gonna try to paint this today like that, how I did that one. And just a little update on the G. It's dirty as shit right now, but I already painted rims, that. Okay, so the next thing you'll be actually needing is gonna be this. Right here we got filler primer, basically just any primer, and then also the actual color you want. This not high gloss, but gloss black, and then some sandpaper, a little light one. This is I believe 1500, so really light. This is gonna be after. I'll show you guys why. This is just a little plus. If you have it, it's a little better to paint, you should know. And also a little quick tip: if you don't want to spend so much money on buying filler primer and then buying this one, because it actually does do a different finish. It doesn't do a bad finish, but I just prefer this one. I prefer this. It's like it has primer and paint, so you don't need the primer. You just slap it on and it gives you a little more high gloss finish. So if you could buy this one and it's in stores, get this one. So after, little quick tip, so once you do one side, turn it over and do the other side, because you're gonna have to do the top. So make sure you flip it over. This is Burley, the first light coat, so it's pretty even. Not too worried about this because this is gonna be covered, but still gonna paint it over just so it can match and not look too crappy, and also because of that. So let it dry for a minute or less, and then we'll hit it again. Next step is gonna be the black. After shaking it up, we're gonna do the same thing, light coat first, and this one we gotta be careful. Light coat. I already applied on every single like little spot that I saw that it didn't have paint, the black paint, and then I hit it everything with once again another coat, but like heavy, so it could come out wet. It looks better on camera. In person it looks a bit like not as crispy, but looks good. So guys, so this is the before. You guys want to do a little custom, do 2008 Emblem and then 2004 front grill. Pretty easy, just drill it and cut it. It's pretty solid, but yeah, we're gonna get it popping right now. Alright guys, so this is the after. Still not done because I need to do the hood, but that's how it's sitting right now. And I'll show you guys right now the diffuser. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna conclude today's video for the G35. So this is how it's sitting. I just want to show you guys, just so you guys could be prepared, because I'm gonna be doing an updated video once I'm done wrapping the hood gloss black and my trunk. But thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, turn on the post notification, because now I'm gonna start uploading way more since I got like a better quality video, better quality like camera. But yeah guys, thanks for watching, and check out my other videos.